Hi everyone. In this program, we are going to discuss about leap year. What is a leap year? A leap year is a year in which a year has one extra day. That is, it has 366 days. Rather, other year has 365 days. This one day get added to the month of February. That month has 29 days in the leap year. In the normal year, it has 28 days. There are two conditions for being a year to be a leap year. Let us check that two conditions. If a year is divisible by 4, completely divisible by 4, then it is a case of leap year. It has one exception. If it is a case of century, then year must be divisible by 400. Otherwise, if a year is only divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. It is not a leap year. Not a leap year. Okay, these two conditions are for the leap year. It is leap year. So let's take 2 or 3 examples. Suppose if we are taking a year 2000, it is completely divisible by 400. It is completely divisible by 400. So it is a leap year. Let's take another example, that is 1900. It is completely divisible by 4, but it is a century year, and it's not divisible by 400, so it is not a leap year. We can check it in the calendar also. See here, we are checking for 1900 and Feb month. So see, you can see it is not a leap year because the February month has 28 days. Okay, now we can check for 2000 is a leap year. See, it has 29 days in a month. Now we can take example of 2004. It is completely divisible by 4. Completely divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. If we take example of 2017, it's not a completely divisible by 4. It will give a remainder 1. So it is not a leap year. These things we can implement in a program. So let's check it. Create a new folder. Okay, hatch include studio.h, hatch include conio.h, int main. I am taking one variable, that is year. It is int. Okay, I am giving first condition. First of all, I am typing printf, enter the year. Scanf, %d, comma ampersand year. The year variable will receive the value from the user. Okay, then I am giving the first condition, that is it will check for century year. If it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Okay, this condition. So if year modulus 400 equal 0, then in this case it will print it is a leap year. It is a leap year. Okay. Now we will check for the second condition. Then else if, and we will give if it is divisible by 4, this condition. Okay. If else if year modulus 4 equal 0, then this is a again we will give one condition in this one, because if it is divisible by 4, 1900 is divisible by 4, but it is not a leap year, so we will check for century case also, that is it is divisible by 100. So we will write this one. Okay. If year modulus 100 equal 0, then in this case it will print it's not a leap year. Printf not a leap year. Okay. It will print it's not otherwise else it will print it's a leap year. It is a leap year. Okay. If it is not a century case, if it is not a divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. So we will have another else condition which will print it's not a leap year. It is not a leap year. Okay, now let me save it. Sorry, save. And let me debug, compile it. So semicolon is missing here. Save, compile. So no error. Run. So it's asking for the year. Enter the year. Okay. Let me write semicolon. Okay. Compile. Run. So enter the year. First of all, I am typing 2000. It is a leap year because it is divisible by 400 and it is a case of century. So it is a leap year. Okay. Then again I am giving 2004. This is not a case of leap year. It is not a case of century year. It is a leap year because it is divisible by 4. See, it is a leap year. Okay. Now I am checking for 1900. 1900. It is not a leap year because it is a century year and it is divisible by 100. It is not divisible by 400. So it is not a leap year. See, not a leap year. Now take one last case. That is the current year 2017. It is not a leap year. So it is not a leap year. So in this way we can check whether a year is a leap year or not. Here it is one case to check whether it is a leap year or not, and this is the second case. This is the second case to check. Okay. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe.